If you've ever wanted to indent text in Lucidchart but weren't sure where the setting was, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to indent in Lucidchart, step by step, so you can clean up your diagrams, organize your text, and make your layouts look much more professional. This is a simple workflow once you know where to click, and it works great for adding structure to labels, callouts, notes, and text inside shapes. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you know when new videos are posted. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Lucidchart document and find the shape or text box that contains the text you want to indent. To edit the text, double-click directly on the shape or text box. This will highlight the text and place your cursor inside it so you can make changes to the formatting. Once your text is selected, look at the formatting bar at the top of the screen. You should see a text formatting option, usually shown with a T icon or sometimes hidden inside a three-dot menu depending on your workspace layout. Click that text options button to open the full text formatting menu. After the text options panel opens, look to the right side of the screen. In that panel, you'll find the indent section. This is where Lucidchart lets you control how far your text is pushed inward. Find the left indent setting, then use the arrows or type in a measurement to increase or decrease the indentation. If you want a small indent, start with a low number and adjust gradually. If you need a deeper indent for a more structured layout, increase the value a little more until it looks right. As you make changes, watch the text in your diagram so you can see the formatting update in real time. This is especially useful if you're building process diagrams, flowcharts, outlines, or any kind of organized visual where spacing matters. A simple indent can make your text much easier to read and can help separate main points from supporting details. If your text doesn't appear to move the way you expect, make sure you're editing the text inside the shape, not just selecting the shape itself. That's a common mistake, and it usually means the formatting options won't apply properly until the text is actively selected. Also, if you're working with multiple lines or bullet-style text, try adjusting the indent carefully so your layout stays balanced. Sometimes just a small left indent is enough to improve readability without making the content feel too far from the edge. And that's it. You now know how to indent in Lucidchart in just a few simple steps. Double-click the text, open text options, and adjust the left indent until it looks exactly how you want. Once you get used to it, this becomes a fast way to improve the appearance of your Lucidchart diagrams. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Lucidchart guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another Lucidchart feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.